Hi, my name's Mick Brown at miko-cartoon.com. I'm a cartoonist and I'm going to show you how to draw some cartoons. Let's have fun. I'm now going to show you how to draw a cartoon penguin. Very, very simple. This one we start off completely with a triangle. Again, we want to round that up and just work on it a bit so we get the right shape, the right size. Nice and easy. That's about it, I think. That object, strangely enough, is the beak. Two little eyes. Let's draw their little arms. Like that. That's where the black area. Let's put a little detail on the back, which you can just see in the background, so that taking no time at all. Let's do that shape on there. All the way around. This is the beak. I'm going to smudge it if I'm not careful. Two little eyes. Or triangles for the flippers. There we go. That should, in theory, follow through that, but little feet. There's just a hint of the tail in the back there. Do the shadow underneath. Some reflection. The reflection on ice is just all straight lines, really. Reflection on water is like that. Ripples, because you can see the ripples in the water, but there's no ripples on the ice, so it's straight down. And that, actually, I'm going to just finishing the beak with a smaller, and just to indicate that, because normally I would just colour that beak in yellow, I guess, and then the rest mauve. I like mauve rather than black. Black's a bit sombre. And if you put a couple of little circles indicating his cheek, this also indicates that he's smiling as well. It's his beak. And that's how you draw a penguin.